Alright, so the next type we're going to talk about is the character type. And this just holds single characters. Nothing more, nothing less. So to do that, we can just create a val, call that is char, and we'll just specify it as a char. And this will hold legit a single character. So in this case, we can call this A. And I mean, honestly, we can just print that out. Call this char, and then use is char. And if we run that, boom, it's just an A. Now, if we try to put anything else inside of it, it's gonna scream at you, because if you're trying to use multiple characters, then it'll be the next type we're gonna talk about, which is a string. But let's talk about some special things we can do with a character. Characters have a special function. Now, I'm not gonna go over all of them, but I'll leave a chart. But we can do special things with a character type. We can create a thing called a new line, which we always use println to create a new line after you print something out. But we can also do this with a character. And to do that, we just use a backslash and an n. This is to let, Kotlin know that we want to create a new line, and we're doing that with a character. Now, if I were to just add something random, let's put the word random literally, and we were to print this out, I should see random on a new line, which I do, and there's some space because I have some space right here. But yeah, and then another one I can use is I can use \t, and this means that I want to use a tab or put a tab. So you should see a little gap. Boom. So these are some special character sequences that are built in that you can use to do certain things. So you're not just restricted to just one character, but you also have sequences of characters that do special things.